this video we're gonna show you how to use Markov add-in to Excel, but before you start you always have to add it manually by hand. So add-in, go, browse, and you have to contact me, so I'll provide you with this add-in. You tick the box here and we are in. So let me deselect this one. So we start Markov Chain, saying if we have three state of nature, and so you could see the values here, and I need to bring to your attention, so the summation of all those three values is always equal to 1. Okay, so here is the economics one, and for example the n step probability, we obtain those values. If you multiply this by this, you obtain this value. Like here, and do it like 3 generation or 3 period of time. So we analyze it. So we obtain the value as requested here after 3 generation or 3 period of time, as well as we've got the transient steady state. First pass, simulate, absorbing state. So let's see absorbing state, how does it look like. Okay, so or the first pass. So this is the first pass. Expected number of steps until the first passage into state 2. Like you're starting at one state, you move to state 2. So we have 20 steps before we get to step 2, or 20 season. Okay, so this is a steady state. Okay, steady state after a while does not change. So this is Markov matrix add-in. So if you want this package, just let me know. My email is written in the description box below, and please subscribe to the channel.